So my camera cut off as I rolled out the dough and got the hot dogs prepared. My apologies. So I basically rolled out the dough with a rolling pin, cut them in 6 portions, wrapped the wieners, and now I'm going to apply melted butter. Apply the melted butter because I'm going to top this with our everything seasoning for bagels, because these are bagel dogs. Put as much or as little as you want, or put whatever topping you want. You can put cheese, you can put jalapenos, whatever fits your taste buds. So we're going to get this into our oven that is preheated at 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes, or until the dough is golden brown. Be right back. Here we go, fresh out of the oven. They look wonderful. I can't wait to dig into one of them. Gonna let them cool off, and then I'll serve them up to my daughter. These make good, like football game day food and things like that. So, and this is also good for the kiddos. Like my niece. Hi Harley, love you. My niece, she is gluten free, so this would be great for her. This would be awesome for her. She would tear these up. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. You know that red down there in red, it says subscribe. Hit that, and then hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I upload one of my bomb fabulous videos. And in the meantime, as my boy Don Cornelius would say, it's gonna be a stone gas, honey. Peace, love, and soul.